are in a small port town, somewhere in between Rio and Paraty. And all the way we were driving here, it was about 2.5 hours. The rainstorm was something different. You could barely see a car in front of us. And now we have to wait on another boat. There's lots of people waiting. Everyone is soaking wet. Carrier is right there. These don't really do anything because they are to protect from sun rather than rain. So even though all these people underneath are still, like, the rain is still raining on them, I managed to find this little piece of shelter and just standing here with my bag that is soaking wet, my feet that are soaking wet. And yeah, we're waiting for another boat which should be coming somewhere there. We'll see when we get to Ilha Grande. We're on the way. And it stopped raining.
Vamos pra batucada, bater tambor, toque do atabaque e do agogô. Vamos pra batucada, bater tambor, toque do atabaque e do agogô.
This is the way we are taking to our next accommodation. At least it stopped raining, because doing this road in a full rain would be disastrous. Okay, let's go. We've been walking for about 40 minutes and we just can't find our place. It's literally in the middle of a jungle. I'm walking bare feet because my flip-flops didn't make it through. Oh my goodness, this is insane.
Joy! Olha o povo do chalé! Tá. Maria, que frio. Vem, amor.
Olá.
Vamos pra batucada, bater tambor, toque do atabaque e do agogô.
This is our way out from our Airbnb, which is pretty cool. We're all sprayed for any sort of bugs, and we're going to explore one of the trails nearby that will take us about 2 kilometers. And 2 kilometers, and it's gonna take us to some secret beach. So let's see how many people had the same idea for today. Turned out it's 2 and 2 kilometers, so 2 kilometers to go and 2 to come back. So 4. It should take us about 2 hours, which is good. There's lots of dogs everywhere. and just chill vibes. This man also has chill vibes.
What did you say?
I said there's chill vibes everywhere.
Yeah.
Then I said this man also has chill vibes. As long as I'm ready on time, he has chill vibes. Which was not the case this morning. You have open backpack, remember? Oh my god! What was that? What was that? Wait, you... okay. I'm dead. I didn't do any better and walk with wet feet as well. Should have known better.
Bater tambor, toque do atabaque e do agogô. Vamos pra batucada. Bater tambor, toque do atabaque e do agogô.
Magical. And we can see all the plants that we would try to plant at home. So this one is the one that has the pink leaves on the other side, which is very popular. A lot of people have it, including my auntie. There is, what else is in here? Obviously lots of monsteras. I'm pretty sure this one people are trying to have as well. Or those one with those red flowers. Obviously any sort of banana plants, which again very popular, and a lot of people are trying to maintain them either in their gardens or inside the house.
E do agogô, tambor mandou chamar. Tambor mandou chamar. Vamos na batucada, bater tambor, toque do atabaque e do agogô. Tambor mandou chamar. Tambor mandou chamar.
So we're doing a trail in the jungle. We are in the Atlantic forest. We just stopped in a waterfall, had a quick dip in the water. It wasn't too cold, nice and refreshing. And now we're going downhill to another secret beach. There should be taxi boats as well going on, and enough every hour or so. Hopefully,
Look at the bamboo.
Alex can have a swim there. Yeah, they're massive. Yeah.
We were reading in the other place that they get, what, 5 centimeters diameter?
Yeah.
But there's no way they're just 5 centimeters. It's much thicker.
Yeah.
Maybe there was a different type over there.
Yeah. Tell us, how are you feeling so far about the trip we did today?
Good.
Yeah? Be honest.
I am honest. You had your shower in the waterfall and now we're going to the beach where I hopefully can have a swim.
Hopefully.
Another plant that obviously we would grow at home, and here it just grows wild. I think it's called the snake plant. I'm pretty sure. Loads of it.
Bater tambor, toque do atabaque e do agogô. Vamos pra batucada, bater tambor, toque do atabaque e do agogô. Tambor mandou chamar. Tambor mandou chamar. Vamos na batucada, bater tambor, toque do atabaque e do agogô. Tambor mandou chamar. Tambor mandou chamar.
Okay, we're back again. Yeah, so we're still on our way. We should be pretty much roughly an hour in to the hike. She thinks a bit more. Fair. And we should have an hour and a half left, maybe less. Should be flatter though, as you can see. We're not climbing as much as we were before. And yeah, we just walked past a beautiful beach. It wasn't the Lopez Mendes we're meant to get to though, so we didn't stop because we are on a mission to see one of the most beautiful beaches in Brazil. And so there we go. It's quite hot now. It must be midday, so the sun is, yeah, because the sun's out. Yesterday was cloudy and rainy conditions, and it was like what, 20-24 max Celsius, which is not too bad for a hike. But today's somewhat more. You can judge by the sweat on my arms. We did spray ourselves though with plenty of bug repellent spray, and yeah, we keep going.
We're just one beach away from the previous one, and the sand here is completely different. It's almost like flour. You can feel it under the toes. So different, but very nice, very soft. We got semi-scammed, as Valeria said. We stopped for a drink in a place where the boat should be taking us back. And yeah, there was opportunity to buy a boat, and we were told that yeah, the price 70 per person, it's about what, £9?
Yeah.
And the guy was telling us that there's only 2 boats left today at 5:30 and 6:30, which is quite late considering now it's like 2 p.m. But anyway, so we were like, okay, let's take it because we might not get onto one when we come here later. And then we literally moved from that spot we turned the corner kind of a thing. We didn't know there would be more boats, and the price was like 35, so which is half price. But it is what it is. We're not gonna cry for £10. Nevertheless, the first scam of the trip has happened.
Tambor mandou chamar. chamar.
Oh my precious.
Did you tell him to sing the song?
We live in Ilha Grande today, and it's the hottest day since we've been here. It's 11 and it's 29 degrees. It will probably go to about 32 maybe today, which for us would have been horrible to do the trails with that degrees, with that temperature. So yeah, so we're glad actually, even though I was complaining a bit because we didn't take any long sleeves and in the evening it was quite cold, but quite glad we managed to do the trails in less of a heat. Hey Valerio! On to another adventure! We're leaving Ilha Grande.
Yeah. To go to where?
Cabo Frio! I think it was good. It was short but sweet. And yeah, an interesting fact was that the island had no cars on it. Yeah, when we arrived at the island it was raining, we were soaking wet. And it was raining next 2 days. Not constantly, but throughout the night it rained constantly.
You could hear frogs outside of our stay.
Yeah.
All night, super loud. There's not many, like, as you said, no
Roosters
cars.
and hens, yeah.
So you could really like feel immersed
The nature.
in the nature, yeah.
Yeah.
So if you love hikes and trails and being close to nature, that is the place to be. We saw little monkeys on the way, which they were super cute.
I think if we had another day, we would have done a boat trip to Lago Azul, which was a place where apparently snorkeling and probably scuba diving. It's an amazing place to go. And the food in Ilha Grande didn't disappoint. We had amazing seafood, and we tried, oh my god, I'm gonna butcher the name of it, moqueca, which is the fish stew, like a soup, which was really good. Also in our accommodation, we didn't have breakfast for this one, so we prepped breakfast ourselves, and we had some amazing fruit. We had papaya, pineapple. Did we have pineapple? No. We had papaya, we have mango, we have melon, we have maracuya, with cheese, and like it was really good. So we managed that ourselves.
vamos na batucada.